Hi, myself Padmaja. Our presentation is about blockchain and zero knowledge proof, privacy preserving computation, secure multi-party computation, fully homomorphic encryption. Our group members are Padmaja Kuchi, Pavani Karnam, Venkata Sanjana Kuppa, Kartikeya Subramanya. Here, the next slide is about introduction. In the introduction, we used to discuss about blockchain, zero knowledge proof, privacy preserving computation, secure multi-party computation, and fully homomorphic encryption. And the next slide is continued by my friend Sanjana Gupta.
Blockchain. Blockchain technology offers a decentralized and secure mechanism to store and move. Supply chain management is one of the most exciting uses of blockchain technology. Higher security and transparency allows easy tracing of changes on the network, allows digital information to be recorded and distributed, and it cannot be edited. Blockchain technology supports smart contracts. Blocks, hash code, and nodes are major components of the blockchain. And the next
Thank you so much, Kartikeya. So now I'm going to explain the overview of blockchain network. So we have taken an example over here, and I have explained real-time examples as well. So this picture will represent the blockchain network and how it's going to work. See, we can see the group 1 and group 2, the smart devices and aggregators and APIs we have taken, and we have merged using a blockchain and without blockchain. So a smart contract has been enveloped, and a key generation nodes has been assigned. So the blockchain will be continuously providing a secured information, and it will be adding as a mediator between the users and the providers.
is about zero knowledge proofs. Zero knowledge proof allow parties to verify information without disclosing any sensitive data. The effective financial transactions can be done using zero knowledge proof. Helps for the secure communication with end-to-end encryption. Zero knowledge proofs guarantee secure way to cast vote in the voting systems. Zero knowledge proof can be used to ensure that only authorized parties can access the data. Eliminate the need of password sharing or other sensitive information. And the next slide is continued by Pavani Karnam.
Thank you, Sanju. Now I'll be going to continue the topic of zero knowledge proofs. Parties can verify the identity of the parties involved in transaction without revealing sensitive information about them. Its powerful technique provided solution to data privacy issues. This can help to prevent identity theft and fraud while providing greater privacy and security for the users. So if you can see, the zero knowledge proves that the prover will be providing the data and receiving the data from a verifier in a secret data and proofs. So this picture will explain in clear about zero knowledge proofs.
Thanks, Pavani. Hi all, I'm Karthikeyan Subramaniam. In this slide, I'm going to talk about privacy preserving computations, secure multi-party computations, fully homomorphic encryptions. In present day, in order to completely use informations, we must need a collective calculations on informations involved in sharing the sensitive information securely, which will be highly used in providing privacy enhanced computations. It's a powerful technique which provides solutions to data privacy issues. These data security issues causes the huge damage to various structures, which we have discussed more deeply in our report. The privacy preserving computations is a comprehensive guide to avoid data breaches. One example of privacy computing is a powerful cloud computing technology that insulates sensitive data and protect it in a CPU enclave during the processing cycle, whereas secure multi-party computations preserves data privacy while making it unusable and open for analysis. Finally, the fully homomorphic encryptions perform analytical functions on encrypted data. Their involvement in various sectors have been explained in the next slides. With this, I'm concluding this presentation and I'll be handing over back to Pavani. Thank you.
Real world examples getting used in various sectors such as healthcare, financial services, e-commerce, government. So in the field of medical field, Medical Chain is a leading example of a company working in medical providers to implement blockchain enable EMRS. A blockchain network is used in healthcare system to preserve and exchange patient data through hospitals, diagnostic laboratories, pharmacy firms, and physicians. A zero knowledge proof technology is developed on the client, which provide the users with a proof of identity information and automatically verifies the user's identity after registration. Now I'm going to give an example in the field of financial services. The most well-known example of zero knowledge is Snacks, is their users in Shield cryptocurrency transactions. Zcash is the first widespread application of ZK SNRAKS. The privacy coins allow users to choose between private and transparent addresses. Now I'm going to give another example in the field of government. So, in the field of government, the blockchain is variously used, and in Indian land ownership system is apparently fraught with frauds. So, one state is exploring the application of blockchain technology to make it more transparent. The government of Andhra Pradesh has partnered with Swedish startup Krama way to build its chain-based solutions. A blockchain-based digital government can protect data, streamline processes, and reduces fraud, waste, and abuses while simultaneously increases trust and accountability. So, in the field of e-commerce industry, the blockchain has been variously used so that the attempts to establish a fact between the parties with minimum amount of information exchange. In cryptography, it is intended to limit the transfer of information during authentication activities. Now the next slide will be continued by Kartikeya Subramaniam.
As I already explained in the real world examples, in the healthcare industries, we use the blockchain securely store and share patients' data between healthcare providers, provide privacy enhanced computations. This can improve the quality of care by providing the doctors with a complete picture of patients and medical history. Privacy preserving computations can be used to ensure that only authorized parties can access the data so that the data will not be encrypted by any other end users, and it will be adding an advantage to protect and will be carried out throughout the procedure. For example, medical historians can use privacy-preserving computations to study the effects of treatments on patient outcomes without accessing individual patient data. Additionally, the secure multi-party computations can be used to enable healthcare providers to cooperate and share information while preserving patients' history. Blockchain can be used to securely store and share patient data between healthcare providers and the database. Picture we can see clearly view the picture of a blockchain system using healthcare, universities, government, insurance company, research. In the previous slides, I have given an example of real-time world experience of blockchain. It is a clear picture. Hospitals and other universities, education organizations, government, and research institutes, how they are going to use the blockchain as data owners and clinical researchers and other data accessing credentials with the data management has been viewing the data, how secure the data is been transferring. So the data management will be providing the
data or the information of a patient or a student or any organization or any company to the researchers, and these data will be transferred to the smart contractors, and the exchange of data will be happened without losing or encryption of data. So in the field of financial industry, blockchain can reduce the needs for intermediaries such as banks to proceed transactions. This can help to reduce cost and improve efficiency. Blockchain can streamline banking, lending services, reduces counterparty risk, and decreases insurance and settlement times. Blockchain promises to reduce fraud, ensure quick and secure transactions and trades, and ultimately helps manage risk within the interconnected global financial systems. So the blockchain will be a secure protected data throughout the information. Legal context. Blockchain and zero knowledge proofs can be used in legal context by creating smart contracts that automatically executes when certain conditions are met. Blockchain can help to reduce the needs for intermediaries such as lawyers to process legal agreements.
Conclusion. This explains our research on different topics which we explained above, and also how it is getting used in various sectors, which we have high potentials. The blockchains and zero knowledge proofs are the strong technologies with a wide range of practical uses. These technologies are numerous and fascinating, offers a greater transparency, security, and efficiency, which helps in compute on sensitive data, and also which supports numerous business by enabling safe and private collaborations. Many sectors got highly beneficial on using these technologies. It was a great privilege for us to get to know about all these details. This concludes our slides. Thank you all so much for giving us this opportunity.